What if I told you that my client just made $100,000 in the stock market using the 3 tips I'm going to share with you right now? And don't tell them that I'm going to give you this hookup, because my clients pay me a lot of money to teach them how to do this. So this is from his account, and it shows that he made $103,000 on March 4th. If you've always wanted to learn how to create generational wealth for your family and actually gain financial freedom, but had no idea where to start or how to get unstuck financially, it can put you on a severe emotional roller coaster. You definitely need to watch to the end of this video so you can get these 3 tips for free. Number 1 is stock options trading. I show my clients how to make money in the stock market, whether it goes up or it goes down. So you don't have to be worried about a stock market crash like most people, and like how they try to scare us in the news all the time. Stock options traders welcome crashes. You know why? Because we make more money and make it faster when the market goes down. I'm going to share this saying with you, and I don't want you to forget it. Stocks take the stairs up, but the elevator down. Number 2, FANG stocks. These are hands down the hottest group of stocks. They include trillion-dollar companies like Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, and Google. These companies have the potential to make you a lot of money with your investments. And number 3, stock cycles. So once you have the best stocks, you have to observe their cycles. Think about it like this. You know when kids get hyped up at certain times of the day, right? Well, since you already know when they're going to go through their hype man cycles, you can just plan to take them to the park so they can burn off all that energy instead of staying at home bouncing off your walls. Same thing with stocks. By knowing their cycles, you can make careful and consistent investments for profit. This keeps your money safe, so you don't have to be worried about losing anything. I'm going to be offering a masterclass coming up where I will show you how to trade the stock market in 5 minutes or less. Click the link in my bio, and that's how you get your free pass.